In this tutorial we'll take a look at running and testing the Equipment Manager template. This template ships as part of the CoreTegral installation. It's located in the Template 1 folder. This is a continuation from the tutorial called Creating a New Solution Using the Equipment Manager template. It's the third video in the Equipment Manager series. Let's open the Solution Builder file. It can be found in the folder C: Examples, Solution 1. Start the solution running by clicking on the Play button on the toolbar. Check the log to ensure that all the components started OK. The most likely cause of any failure is due to an incorrect database connection string. At this stage, we have no communication with the equipment. This is because we haven't started the equipment simulator. Let's go ahead and start the SEX tester which we are using here to simulate the equipment. Open the Template 1 SEX file, which configures the SEX tester to communicate with our solution. An HSMS connection is used in the solution to communicate with the equipment via port 6001 and 6002. You can change these ports if required using connection properties in the SEX tester and by configuring the port TCP in the solution. Let's start the equipment simulator running by selecting the connection, open menu option. Within a short period the initialization sequence will start. Keep an eye on the log. You can see a rapid stream of conversation, culminating in the S5, F7, F8 conversation to get a list of current alarms. This message is triggered by the data provider when it is informed by the Equipment Manager that the equipment is online. The login solution builder shows all this message traffic and a subsequent S1 F1 message, the VFI hello command. Now we are ready to start exercising the solution using the automation test client. To start a new run, select the Run New menu option. The run information is displayed. We'll just accept the default values and click on the OK button. The visualization area of the user interface will update to show the carrier, lot, and run status. If you click on any icons within this area, status information is displayed in the panel below. The run should now be in the load state and awaiting the cassette-placed VFI event. S6F11 event with CEID 3. Let's send it now. Within a few seconds, we should see the start command displayed in the log window. This is sent by the automation when the pre-process run state is entered. Switching back to the automation test client, we can now see the run has entered the pre-process state. The run icon has updated to display the state change. Let's send the next command. S6F11 event with CEID 1. This is the VFI MBC start command, indicating that the equipment run has started. Again, switching back to the automation test client, we can now see the run has entered the process state. Now we are in the process state. We'll send 6 more commands to simulate the processing of 2 wafers. These commands are the main data collection points in the solution. Check the log file for details on the events. MB start port 1 slot 8 chamber 2. Wafer report port 1 slot 8. MB complete port 1 slot 8 chamber 2. MB start port 1 slot 9 chamber 1. Wafer report port 1 slot 9. Finally, MB complete port 1 slot 9 chamber 1. Next we need to move out of the process state by sending the MBC complete event, CEID 2. The automation moves into the unload state. Finally send the cassette removed event, S6F11, CEID 5. This moves the run into the complete state. In this tutorial we have simulated an equipment and exercised the solution using the automation test client. For more details on the Equipment Manager template, please review the CoreTegral user guide, which can be found in the installation folder. Thanks for watching this training video. If you have any questions or suggestions on how we can improve our training material, please contact us. Goodbye.